Hello, and welcome back to another exciting episode. Today, we're going to be doing something really different. I did a computer build. Well, actually, I didn't put it together. I paid somebody else to do it because I didn't trust myself. It's a place called Micro Center, and I tell you what, I really recommend these guys so far. So, let's see what's in the box. Okay. Ooh. Oh, this isn't gonna work. How are we gonna do this? On the floor. It's heavy. Hold on. Let me see. By the way, we're in my new studio that isn't quite set up yet, as you can see here. But we're doing our best. So don't mind the exterior stuff and all the extra stuff in the background. We'll get there. Don't worry. Ooh, okay. So, what we got? Oh, by the way, I don't know if all computer build companies do this. Excuse me. But when you're done with everything, like they give you the build, they also give you all the boxes of the stuff they put in the build. So you got all the extra wires, all the extra cables, tie downs, anything that you need for future reference. You know, and of course the boxes have all the numbers on it that you need to do the warranties, all that good stuff. Sorry, that thing's heavy. Okay, let's see. So first thing we got, just like I was talking about, it has all the extra straps, tie downs, straps. Ooh, lots of extra straps. I can use that later. I'm going to set that aside. So I can put that on my cables when I go out on shoots and stuff. Put that over there. He's fine. Okay. And we got an extra piece. I don't know. Put that over here. This thing is packaged really, really well. Now I did go to the center to pick it up. They have multiple centers across the country. If you're within like 2-hour drive, it's really worth going there because they have in-store sales that you don't see on their online store. Now you can have this built online and sent to you, but when I went to the store, they had in-store sales that brought the price down about $1,000. So it might be worth your while to go if you're thinking about doing a build. Oh my gosh. I'll be back. I need a drink after that. Of water, not, But plastic off. Ooh, that's pretty. All right. So what did I get in this thing? So I got my cheat sheet here. We got a Core i9. as well as it says custom water-cooled PC building service. Now that's the service I was talking about, to have them build it. Now it did cost me $250. I was thinking, I don't know, but water-cooled. They put it together. They also test it, load test it. Well, what I would call load testing. I'm not sure what it is in technical terms. But essentially they ran it to make sure that, hey, this thing works. So it should work. And hopefully, fingers crossed, this should do it. So this is going to be my new editing computer in my brand new studio. So if you see this, that means it was done on this computer and it works. If you don't see it, you wouldn't know anything about it anyway. So I'm also interested in seeing what kind of other toys that I can get. Oh, and the cool thing about this, we have all kinds of inputs. I'm going to push this forward. I'm going to turn it around. I'm going to show you all kinds of neat stuff that I think is cool because I can add all kinds of external drives and all kinds of neat stuff. So watch this. Of course, here's your on-off. You have, of course, your USB. You have your mini USB. You have your multi-in for audio. And I'll let you reset. And then on the back. Now here is your graphics card, I think. Yeah, this is the graphics card here. Actually, all this here. As far as your outputs, you can have up to 4 monitors on this. I can bring this over a little more. There we go. And then I gotta get this closer. Okay, is that better? Yeah, there we go. And then we have, of course, the USBs here for your mouse, for your keyboard. You have Type-C USBs, and then you have your different types of USBs. You can put in your SSD, external drives, all kinds of neat stuff. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Whew. And again, 4 monitors out. So I should be able to load this thing up pretty well. All right, let's put this thing together. And you and I, we can see, oh, it even has an eco button here, on and off. I guess, I don't know, I gotta read about that. But you tech heads will know what that is. Just go ahead and put this thing together, hook it up, and see what it does. Of course, it is neat to have these metal hinges. So when you work on the computer, these actually swing out, which is nice. First one here, USB, that's for your flash BIOS. Of course, your Wi-Fi antenna. I gotta see if I got antennas or not. I don't think I really need them because we're so close. Oh, by the way, I did find the antenna. It just hooks right into those outputs. And the cool thing is, it's actually magnetic. So it doesn't slide around, which is kind of neat. And of course your mic in, lines out, plug in the supplied power cord, plug the other end into your UPC, excuse me, UPS, uninterruptible power supply. Let's go ahead and plug the keyboard in one of the open USB ports. Alrighty, for the mouse, let's see if we can find an open slot up here. Go ahead and plug that in. I don't need high speed for this because I'm not gaming. So just put in a regular USB. Okay, I have the monitor where I want it. So I'm going to go ahead and plug that in. Okay, here we go. First time turning it on. That's pretty. Look at that. Okay. Let's see if we have any output. There it is. Administrator. Look at that. It works. We are alive. That is awesome. I must say, I am very happy with the purchase. And thank you for coming along with me for the unboxing and first startup. Just to make sure everything works. So, as always, have a great day. Oh yeah. New studio almost complete.